This is Rob Guthins, a ServiceMaster in Mobile, Alabama. ServiceMaster Advanced, the master of disaster. And I thought I would do a brief video here and just talk a little bit about the instruments that we use to verify that we're actually drying. I've talked a lot about the air movers in some of my videos, and the dehumidifiers in some of my videos, but it occurred to me that the most important thing we do is we don't just sit out air movers and dehumidifiers randomly. We actually go back every day on a water job and we do job checks. And these instruments are what we use to verify that we're actually drying a structure, and then when we're finished drying, we can assure the customer that in fact we have dried their home or business and have fixed their water loss situation to the degree that they won't have a recurrent mold situation. Now here with me today is Sean Rich, and he's going to just go over these three tools real quick and just explain what the three tools do. Okay, first.
All right, what this is a hydro sensor, also known as a carpet stick. We bring it in when we first get to the house, and this actually penetrates through the carpet into the padding to let us know if there's any moisture in either the carpet or the padding. Anything over 16% humidity, and you'll hear that sound.
And he is obviously full of water because he's over 16% humidity.
Yes.
Okay.
What this is a hydrometer. You bring it out and you check the ambient temperature in the room and the humidity, and that's how you know that you're bringing the humidity down to an acceptable level.
In ideal drying conditions, when we get in one of those
lower than 40% humidity, preferably.
Okay.
This last one is called a ServiceMaster. What it does is actually checks the moisture in the drywall or the cabinets, whatever structure materials you have. And whenever you come up on moisture with it, it'll actually start to go up. And the higher the color is, or the higher the number is, the more moisture there is. So if you actually get to a wet surface, you'll see that it's at 99% humidity.
Okay, we'll take the tip off those.
Yeah, also, you got the penetrating side, which actually goes into the baseboards or the wall material whenever you want to check to make sure you're not getting a false reading from some kind of metal being behind the wall. And you'll see that it also sets it off whenever you probe the material you're trying to get the reading from.
Okay. And what we do with this information is we come in and we log it in our computer programs to make it real simple for you. And day by day, we're able to chart it and graph it and show the customer and the insurance adjuster that we're actually drying, and we have dried their structure to an acceptable level, which will inhibit or prohibit, in this case, the growth of mold. That's basically it in terms of how we do this. We have some other tools we're going to show in another video. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. This is Rob Guthins for ServiceMaster Advanced Cleaning and Restoration in Mobile, Alabama, the master of disaster. Area code 251-653-9333.